My name is Pavel Alvarado. I'm co-founder and CEO of Minero Inc. Today I'm going to talk about Minero Suite 1.0 Block Model Creator. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create projects and do block model estimations in Minero. Ever since Minero can accomplish block model computation, let's create a project where we can work with block models and make block models estimations. First of all, double-click to run the program. Let's load the topography. In this particular case, it is a DXF file called topopms5st.dxf. Here is the topography. To go to the center of the data, you can click in the icon Go to the Scene. We can rename the object name in render property. Topo M, for instance. Also, topo can be saved. Poly extension. Here in render property, we can customize thickness up, thickness down, color, shape, pattern. In order to set tab, bench height, and circle radius for visualization in the working area, we can select show height setting window, cursor bench height, cursor color, background color, text size. All those can be predefined here. Let's load the raw data, in this case the pattern data collect pattern.pat. Pattern.pat is there, we will display. This pattern.pat file has XYZ information, copper, lead, zinc, silver, gold, recoveries, and other elements. These elements are considered variables and can be computed in Minero. In this particular case, we are using one element to set up a property of this variable silver. You can select the variable from the list. Color, shape, pattern, and annotation can be set up as well. If we select another element, gold, everything is in blue because of the ranges. You can go with a different range for gold. Let's go back to silver. Okay, in the same way, shape can be changed as well from a list of different shapes. We can also load existing block models. In this particular exercise, we're going to create from scratch a brand new block model. And same as for pattern, we can personalize for blocks shape, pattern, fill, color, and annotation. Let's create a new block model. Number of attributes 3. The origin is 7605, 9383, 4332. Number of cells along X is A, 35, 33 here for Y, and C 22. Cell length A by A by 2. Okay, this is the block. We can use in this case one of these variables. We have to give a name. We will work with that. The 3 variables that we will be using will be density, AG grid, and revenue. So now that we have the block model, let's we can use this Silver Creek. So once we have our empty block model created, we can make estimations such as kriging. In this case, we can use Krig option. Minera is currently using a set of kriging parameters. Let's add a krig. In this case, we're going to use pattern. The original data is silver. The block AG krig is the output variable. Variogram that we will be using is 20 by 20 by, let's put it 20. Yes, the standard set of parameters. Let's do it. It's done. So in addition to kriging, like in this particular case, I'm gonna thickness up and thickness down. Gonna go to the location 4360. 4360. Let's go to the location 4360. Okay. 4366 we have data. 4368 as well. Yeah, there are 2 benches where we can have Greek data. In addition to the Greek estimation, we can make computation in Minero. I will set up density. So let's say density for all the blocks equal to 1.78. So now density is 1.78. Also, I can set up revenue. I'll predefine 2 variables, price equal to 20, let's say, and cost equal to 15. Here we're gonna use some syntaxes for revenue. If let's say the variable AG greater than minus 999, I'm gonna do revenue equal to price minus cost H Greek as say revenue equal minus 99. So now in the blocks where we have H Greek, we will have revenue as well. Okay. So we can visualize this in 3D. Finally, we can save all the objects and we can actually rename if you want block model. And save the objects. Also, we can save the project. Save this topo as well. I believe I save it by as a case. Project. Mineral model. Place. So next time you will be able to run all the project with all the changes you just made. Okay, well, we're good for now. Don't hesitate and visit us at our webpage www.mineromining.com. We will be happy to answer your questions and suggestions. In name of the Minero team, I have to thank you for your time.